Hello everyone, this is my website on medical registration system. This website helps the users to view the index page and see whatever services the hospital is providing to the users or the patient, and the expert teams of doctors that are working in the hospital. They can view the services provided by the hospital, view the doctors list in which they can go inside the doctor's details and see the doctor's experience and the details and book appointments. They can also go and watch the gallery, and they can contact the hospital through a simple message providing their name, email, phone number, and whatever related information they want. They can also contact through email and phone number. They can make appointment through simply clicking through a button providing their names, number, their email, selecting their doctors, their dates, and the shift they want to book their appointments in, and provide history for the doctors. Now let's move to the admin page. The admin page provides the admin to book appointments, edit appointments, and delete appointments. You can also check on groups, edit the groups and delete the groups as same as the users do. And you can provide doctors information, change doctors information, delete doctor informations, and if change every things that, and update everything that can be done in on the website. Thank you.